Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. I'm Sujitha, Assistant Professor of CS and IT, CPA College. In the previous session, we have seen the introduction to data structures. So, in that, we have seen the two different data structures. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive data structure. We already seen primitive data structure is a primitive data type in a C language. So now we will focus on non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures are categorized into two categories. One is non-linear and another one is linear. So, in the linear data structure, we have seen that all the elements are organized in a sequential order. The best example for the linear data structure is arrays. So, arrays, stacks, queues, all these comes under linear data structure. In today's session, we will start with arrays. Here, the array is a collection of elements which is of similar data type. So, we can store multiple number of elements under the same name, that is called array. Now, here how the memory is organized for the array elements. The elements will be organized in a contiguous memory locations. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of using arrays. First, we will go with the advantages. So, what are the advantages of using arrays? First one is fast data retrieval. That means it consists of similar data type elements and stored in a contiguous memory location. So, we can access the data quickly and effectively. Next, efficient access to elements. We can access any element in the array with the help of index value, and access in an array is an O of one operation. That means the time required is constant and does not depend on the size of an array. Next, it is suitable when the number of elements are already known. Another major advantage is easy to implement and used in implementation of other linear data structures like stacks and queues. These are the advantages using arrays. Next, we will see the disadvantages. First one is static memory allocation. That means during the compile time itself, we have to specify the size of an array, and there is no possibility to change the size of an array during the runtime. Next one is wasted space. If the array is declared as the 10 elements, no possible to increase the size, and if the array is initialized with the more number of elements and we are using only the 10 elements, then memory of 90 elements are wasted. Next drawback is insertion and deletion. Inserting and deleting an element are more expensive. That means it requires more complex loops. Due to these disadvantages, we are not implement the list concept using the array. So, the list concept is implemented by the linked list. Now, we stop here, and in the next session, we will go with the implementation of linked list. Thank you.